I do get that a lot, and people want to know, you'd be surprised some of the incredibly stupid questions I get asked. But I try and tell, I've become very jaded now at my age, and I tell people when they ask me, look, don't worry about it. For you, the best thing to do is go back and watch football. And the reason why is because at this late date, if you don't know what's going on the earth in these last few hours that the Republic is alive, the last few hours that the human race has now in its final hours, like the Titanic, she's already one half under. She's going under now quick, and people are bailing out. So at this last and final few minutes, if you don't know what's going on, my suggestion is to go back and watch television. And when you're put into concentration camps, don't worry about it because at least you can see football. They will have sports on the TV for you when you're in prison. Because if you're an adult and you don't know by now what's going on, then you're not supposed to know.
Right. I told her to Google it. That was the only thing that I could come up with.
Incredible.
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm just amazed how many people, how many people go to church and don't even know where the word church comes from. And how many people talk about Jesus Christ and have no idea in the world what the word Christ means.
Yeah.
Talk about worshiping God and have no idea. It goes back, you can trace the word back in any good dictionary to Zeus. I mean, how many people go to vote and think they're voting for the president, and point of fact, no, they're going to the polls.
Mm-hmm.
But when you go to the polls, all that means that somebody is taking a poll, not a vote. And a poll is to get a consensus of what people are thinking. So they take a poll. So you go to the voting polls, you go to the voting booth in the polls, which means the masters who run America, there's only a handful of them. These few people who run this country, they just want to see which one of these airhead goofballs you guys like. Do you like this fruitcake over here, or this fruitcake over there, or this mentally deranged moron over here? Which one do you like?
Or which ideas are going to gain the support so they can kind of move the agenda in that direction?
That's exactly right. So which one of these fruitcakes do you like? Because they're all mentally deranged. They're all under our control. We've got all kinds of photographs with their women and their boyfriends, and we've got all kinds of stuff on them. So we're going to put these chumps up to run for president. But which one do you people out there in video land, which one of these dopes do you like? And so when the masters see that everybody likes this one guy, then that's the one we will put in charge of the corporation.
Mm-hmm.
And so that everybody will be happy. They're happy because they got their leader. And you didn't get anything. Like Dick Gregory used to say, in America, we like to brag about the fact that we can elect, but you cannot select. That's the difference. So you can only elect the 3 or 4 chumps that the masters put in front of you.
Mm-hmm.
And all of them are either cross-dressers, mentally deranged, have got criminal records, or totally mentally deranged people, but they just want you to go to the polls and let them know which one of these fruitcakes do you want, will you feel good about.
Well, the way I see it, they need people who have dirt on them so they can hold it over them if they get out of line.
Yeah. Of course. That's why in the scholar